Hi Robin, it's great to meet you here at Embedded World 2026.
Great to meet you as well.
Vector is integrating our PicoScope in your new hardware as a service platform. Would you like to tell us what the hardware as a service platform is for and what the PicoScope is doing in there?
So basically in today software development, virtualization is playing a vital role, right? And it has its advantages on the scalability side, but at a certain point you always need to go on the hardware and test it. And you need to have a scalable way to do that as well. And vHaaS as a central cloud platform is basically offering that. So it's providing to any developer from anywhere in the world remote access to the hardware itself. It also ensures a seamless CI integration. And today we actually with PicoScope had one setup where we used the VT system from Vector, PicoScope for precise analysis of serial communication. And then, if you really have a look at the web service, as said, we have now the web service accessible from anywhere. From there we go into the setup and directly remotely now interacting with the hardware we see here. This could be really from anywhere, so there's no limitation. It's a cloud-based service and therefore also provides more flexibility. And that basically with vHaaS and our partnership definitely we go forward and looking forward for some customers. Yeah.
So perfect. Let me know what is the plan for the vHaaS system.
Yeah.
What is on your roadmap?
So as said before, right, we're looking forward to some customers now, and we are in a stage where we are looking for pilot customers. So we started already to introduce it as today, and we'll start a beta phase basically this month until I would say mid-end of the year, and then we're going to a productive state with some of the customers.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
So Vector and Pico are working together quite closely for many years. Can you tell our listeners why you choose PicoScope, what you like about the PicoScope?
Yeah, definitely. So, we are working together for over a decade now, and with PicoScope, of course, it's also seamlessly integrated in the toolchain itself with the open interface. And just one example, together with PicoScope, of course, we can synchronize the logical signals with the analog measurements quite easily, and then in the end, use it for troubleshooting or even orchestrating automated tests with PicoScope.
That's great to hear.
Yeah.
Rowan, thank you very much.
It was nice meeting you again.